Set in the heart of Mumbai, Victoria Gardens was established by the British in 1861, making it one of India's oldest zoos. But today, lack of funds and government support have left many of its enclosures empty, the biggest one being the lions.
बच्चों को यहाँ वो लॉयन देखने को नहीं मिला तो थोड़ा सा बच्चे सैड फील कर रहे हैं कि पापा यहाँ जू में हमको लॉयन तो देखने को मिला ही नाही.
मला जास्त एक्साइटमेंट होती की लायन बघायला भेटेल, पण इथे येऊन लायनच नाही दिसत.
मुझे तो लॉयन देखना है. यहाँ पे लॉयन ही नहीं है. यहाँ पर लॉयन नहीं है. लॉयन होता तो और मजा आता. नहीं पता.
This is one of the oldest zoo and visited by more than 5,000 to 6,000 visitors in a day. And on holidays, I think the number reaches up to around 25,000, 30,000. Yeah, people sometimes come and ask why there is no lion. So there is little policy issue.
This year, Famous Innovations decided that instead of spending millions of rupees chasing a metal lion, why not get the real one instead?
So I was having in my mind every year we spend like 10 to 8 lakh rupees. So these guys again came to me for that. I was just reluctant. What is the budget I have and how much are you going to handle the situation and what is this?
1 kilometer from my office, there's a zoo, Rani Bagh, Bombay's like oldest zoo, and I think 7-8 years there's no zoo lion there. They mentioned I think it's a great idea to have our own lion. We can adopt a lion and not enter to the Cannes this year, Cannes Lion, and use that money to do this. I think it's a fantastic. Because you win metal and just lying down in the shelf for yourself, nobody sees it. Versus here, like hundreds and thousands of people visiting the zoo, they can actually see our lion there.
4 years old, very healthy, and it has just been adopted by a famous ad agency. We at Sanjay Gandhi National Park appreciate the gesture made by the agency.
In 2016, Famous Innovations adopted a lion for the city of Mumbai. Famous Innovations, proud parents of a lion called Cans.